Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Bedrock 1. 21 is the active version. This matters because file paths changed. Open your file manager, locate the resource packs folder, and copy a template pack there. Once done, make sure the manifest, JSON, and pack icon, PNG are present so the game recognizes the pack. You should also create a backup of the original pack. If anything breaks, you can restore quickly. Now open the texture pack in your text editor to begin edits. You will change the textures to simulate night vision by brightening key textures and adding a subtle green overlay. First, edit the PNGs, raise exposure, reduce saturation a little, and keep contrast so details remain visible. Then update any shader-related JSON or behavior pack files to apply the overlay at runtime. Bedrock sometimes uses render controllers. Once edits are saved, increment the version in manifest, JSON so the game reloads the pack. You now import the modified pack into Minecraft Bedrock and enable it in the world settings. Enable both resource and behavior packs if you changed object behavior. Test at night. Walk through dark areas and note where brightness or color feels off, then tweak textures and JSON and re-import. If nothing changes, clear the game cache and confirm the manifest version incremented. One key tip: if textures don't show, verify exact folder names and that no PNGs are corrupted. Those are the most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.